Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing Creme of Nature's new Aloe and Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortified Collection. Y'all, you know I love me a good product from Creme of Nature, so I'm gonna get straight into the video so you all can see how these products work out. Y'all, this collection is for maintenance, so I wanted to start with the condition of my hair. This is what my hair looks like, and it's only about a week old. I'm starting with the Healthy and Long Fortifying Shampoo, which is supposed to help boost growth and strengthen your strands. This does have the aloe vera juice and the black castor oil in it, which we know the aloe vera juice is for moisture and the black castor oil is for strength. You can definitely see that it has some aloe vera in it from the consistency. My hair felt so soft, y'all. I really loved this shampoo. It cleansed my scalp really well, and I was able to work through my hair and detangle my hair. And I think that's because of that aloe vera juice. I then follow up with the protein treatment. I do my hair every week, and so I like to make sure my moisture and protein balance is on point. This protein treatment is very similar to the FOG one. You get that stickiness. It is not as loud. I did end up pouring it in a spray bottle because it really is the same color. It kind of sort of did the same things for me. Overall, it worked. I got this in my curl box, so I do not know what these retail is. I will try to put all that down in my description box, but overall, same process. You spray it in, you comb it through, and you let it, you can either blow dry or sit under the hair dryer, which I blow dry mine because my hair is so big, and then you let it harden, and then you rinse it out. As with the FOG, this is not something that you would use weekly. I have not did a strong protein treatment on my hair in quite some time, so I needed to do one, but this is what it looks like after it has dried up. I then follow up with the Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask, which is supposed to improve elasticity by hydrating your strands, which your hair will be very dry after doing this protein treatment, so you must follow up with some moisture. And this mask definitely packed some moisture. When I was first putting it on, I was like, I don't know about this. I did have to apply a little water for it to work through my hair, but after allowing it to sit and soak in, y'all, it was great. It's also very messy. You can see my shirt a little bit is stained, so I wouldn't recommend doing this in anywhere where you don't want it to be stained. I do my hair in the sink, so I was fine, and I come back and I record for y'all, but it is very messy. But overall, it does its job. It puts in that moisture that you need after doing that protein treatment. So that's that on that. I will say all the products do have like a slight perfumey smell to them, but not bad. They smell good to me. I like to have like when you go to the salon, and I always say this in my videos, but just that salon fragrance. I don't know what that fragrance is, but it's not overpowering. This is my hair after the mask has set on for about 15 minutes. It says to keep on for 3 minutes, but whoever leaves a hair mask on for 3 minutes, not I. This mask is supposed to decrease the occurrence of split ends and breakage, so I'll have to see over time if it holds up to that. Next, I use the anti-breakage leave-in, which is the only styling product from this collection, which is supposed to fight frizz and reduce shedding and breakage caused by dryness. Now, I don't have any issue with thickness, but I do follow up with the Root Recharge Serum, which is supposed to promote full or thicker cuticles. It is infused with vitamins. Y'all, you're supposed to put this on your scalp and massage it in. The aloe is to condition, and the black castor oil is to add luster to your hair. To seal in all that moisture that I put in, I do use the twisting cream from the Pure Honey collection. You don't want to stop at just that leave-in. You need something that's going to seal in the moisture. And I ran and raved. I love this twisting cream from the Pure Honey collection. I will link that video above and put it in my description box. And then I just braid my hair up. I'm going to wear my hair braided all week as a protective style. And that's one of the biggest things when you are trying to go on a growth journey. You have to do more low manipulation styles, stuff that's going to keep your hair tucked and also keep it stretched. And this definitely stretched my hair, which you will see when I come back tomorrow after it's dried. And this is my hair on the next day. I'm just checking out the elasticity and the luster that the collection said it is supposed to give. My hair is completely dry. It feels really good. My hair felt really well, y'all. Like, you just don't know. Sometimes you use these products and you be like, ooh, but it really did feel really good. But that is all. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, you need to go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. And you can also binge watch some other videos while you at it. They should be popping up here soon, right now. Yeah.